How to make cheeseburger at home. Making a cheeseburger at home is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. Here's a recipe for a classic cheeseburger. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 80/20 blend. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 hamburger buns. 4 slices of cheese. Lettuce leaves. Sliced tomatoes. Sliced onions. Ketchup. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Instructions: 1. Preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. 2. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal parts and shape them into patties. 3. Season both sides of the patties with salt and pepper. 4. Place the patties on the grill and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they reach your desired level of doneness. 5. During the last minute of cooking, add a slice of cheese on top of each patty and let it melt. 6. While the patties are cooking, prepare the hamburger buns by toasting them on the grill or in a toaster. 7. Once the patties are cooked and the cheese has melted, assemble the cheeseburgers by placing a patty on the bottom bun, followed by lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. 8. Top with the other half of the bun and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious homemade cheeseburger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.